Want to block someone on TikTok but not sure how? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to block another user on TikTok. Now let's get started. To block someone on TikTok, first go to their profile either by tapping their username or by searching for them. Then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner of their profile. In the menu that appears, tap Block. Tap Block in the pop-up to confirm. Once you block a user on TikTok, they will no longer be able to view your videos or interact with you through comments, likes, follows, or direct messages. If you ever want to unblock them, go back to their profile and tap Unblock. Tap Unblock in the pop-up to confirm. That's all it takes to block or unblock someone on TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.